Hi! In this course, I will show you how you can increase sales and promote products online on autopilot, how we can increase global market reach for your product, how we can create a partnership with other people who will help us with promoting and selling your product. I will show you the best free and paid traffic sources for your campaign. I will show you step by step the most popular methods for product promotion. You will understand how to put your customers in the buying mood and why it's so important working with influencers. I will show you how to create an email marketing campaign, how to create Google Ads campaign, affiliate marketing campaign, everything. And I will give you a bonus strategies as well that will blow your mind. At the end of this course, it is your turn to do assignment. Hi everyone, my name is Dejan, and I am Masters of Computer Science and Information Technology, digital entrepreneur and trainer of trainers with more than 50 international certificates in different areas of information technology. Based on my previous experience, I have created this user-friendly course so I can help individuals and teams to get better results at what they are doing. This course saves money and it's short and clear enough. I promise you that I will not waste your time, will be very productive and efficient. So let's start building a global presence for your product right now. Welcome to course Manifest of Product Promotion and Internet Marketing. Be action taker. Let's go!